Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing a MCM unboxing, so make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I don't know if you all remember, but on my birthday haul video I told you guys I ordered the medium Vasitos Trifold wallet in the color pink, and yeah, it's finally here. So I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. And yes, yeah, I'm so excited because I actually needed a new wallet. So yeah, so before I show you guys the new wallet, I'm gonna show you guys my old wallet as well. MCM, and then the back is orange, and this is actually a trifold wallet. So yes, okay, so now let's go into the unboxing. So I actually ordered this off of Bloomingdale's, and yeah, this wallet was on back order. Okay, so I'm glad it finally arrived because a new wallet was definitely overdue. So yeah, I'm trying not to cut myself, y'all, but okay, finally opened it. Okay, so yes guys, okay, I'm gonna let y'all know when I ordered this as well. So okay, yeah, so we ordered this August 8th 2021, and yeah, from Bloomingdale's. And then this is the packaging. This is a box, a cute little MCM box. And let me brace myself because yeah, I know I'm gonna be hyped. Okay, so of course it comes with these little, I don't even know, what is this, y'all? Like, I know you can't eat this stuff, like it's always in the MCM packages, but yeah, this is the little tag, and it says okay, this is like, yeah, I'm sorry, excuse me, let me get my mind together there real quick. This is like the little serial number or whatever, and then of course it comes with this. Yeah. Oh, okay, so the wallet is in the dust bag. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, this is so freaking cute, and this is actually bigger than I expected it to be. Yeah, okay, yeah, so I actually like this wallet better than my old one because this one is giving very much so more organized. Yeah, this is so freaking cute. And I also have the purse to match. So let me show you guys that as well. Of course, the little dust bag. And then let's go ahead and show you guys the purse. And then this is the matching wallet. And let's see if this, okay, yeah. The wallet actually fits perfectly into this purse. Yeah, and then hold on, let me show you guys the shoes as well. And I actually have the matching slides to go with the purse and the wallets. Okay, yeah, I'm so happy with this because this is so cute, and y'all know pink is my favorite color, so yes. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.